let us learn how to represent the solutions of linear equations in graphical form. So let us find out the solution for this equation, then we will find out how to represent that solution on the graphs. So how to find out the solution? Let us start. 5x minus 40% here represents 40 upon 100 multiplied with 8x minus 1 gives us 4. Now we will solve the bracket first. That means we can write this as 40 into 8x minus 1 whole upon 100. That will be equal to 4. Now we can take out the LCM for all the terms, that is 100 on the left hand side. Here we get, if 1 is here and 100 is here, what should 1 be multiplied with to get 100? Should be 100, and we have 5x minus 100 should be multiplied with 1 only. So we write 40 into 8x minus 1 as it is for this one is equal to 4. So now on solving we get 500x minus, the term remains the same, 40 into 8x minus 1 whole upon 100 is equal to 4. Now we can take this 100 to the other side, because it was divided it will get multiplied. So when we take it to the other side, the equation becomes 500x minus, we can simultaneously solve the left hand side also, because of which we have to multiply both the terms with the term outside, that is 40. So now 40 into 8x becomes 4 8s are 32, 320x minus 40, and to the other side we get 400. Now we have to open this bracket. So how do we open the brackets? 500x minus plus minus 320x minus into minus plus 40 is equal to 400. Now on solving these we get 500 minus 320, that will be equal to 0, 10 minus 2 8, and 4 minus 3 1. So we get 180x plus 40 equal to 400. Now 180x remains at the same and 40 is transposed to the other side where it is getting subtracted because it was added over here. So we get 0 minus 0 0, 10 minus 4 is 6 and 3. So now we have 180x equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 upon 180 because 180 was multiplied there. So now we will take out the factors common, that is 180 for both, and we find out that the value for x comes out to be 2 upon 1 or x is equal to 2. Now this can be represented in the form of a graph. How is the graph made? We make the number line that we have learned, that is 0, positive to the right hand side and negative numbers to the left hand side. We have to represent x is equal to 2. So we will mark the place where x axis is having the value of 2 and highlight that. So that is all about the graphical representation. It's just that you have to represent it on the number line. So this is the way you can represent your solutions in the form of graphs.